In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Facebook password. This walkthrough uses Google Chrome and works only if you previously saved your Facebook password in Chrome's built-in password manager. For privacy and security, do this on your own device in a private space, and avoid showing your screen to others while the password is visible. Start by opening your Chrome browser. Make sure you're using the Chrome profile where you normally sign into Facebook, because saved passwords are tied to the profile that stored them. Next, look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three vertical dots. This opens the main menu. From there, choose Settings. Settings is where Chrome keeps all your preferences, including privacy, passwords, and autofill information. On the left-hand side of the Settings page, click Autofill and Passwords. Depending on your Chrome version, it might simply be labeled Autofill. Both lead you to the same area where you manage saved credentials and payment methods. Now select Google Password Manager. This is Chrome's secure vault for your saved logins. Inside, you'll see a list of websites and apps that have stored credentials. If you have a long list, use the search box at the top and type Facebook to quickly locate the entry. If you don't see Facebook listed, it usually means the password wasn't saved in this profile, or you signed in using another browser or device. Click the Facebook entry to open its details. You'll see your saved username and an obscured password represented by dots. To reveal the password, click the eye icon next to it. For your protection, Chrome will now ask you to confirm it's really you. Depending on your device, you might be prompted for your computer password, a PIN, or a biometric check like a fingerprint or face scan. Complete this verification step. Once confirmed, the password becomes visible. Take a moment to read it carefully. If you need it for another device, enter it directly rather than leaving it displayed for long. Avoid copying it into unsecured notes or sharing it in messages. When you're done, navigate away from the screen or lock your device to keep your information safe. That's all there is to it. You opened Chrome, went into Settings, accessed the password manager, selected the Facebook entry, and used the eye icon to reveal your saved password after confirming your identity. If the entry isn't there, the password likely wasn't saved in Chrome on this profile. Thanks for watching and stay safe with your credentials.